In this part, we are going to create this light blue notification part in the WhatsApp. So there are three main components. One is the notifications, which is red circled one, and the other is the avatars. And the last part is the notification text, which contain the text, the link, and also an icon. And as you can see, there are two icons that we need. One is the notification of icons, and the other is the arrow forward. So we go to here and search notifications of. So we copy this and back to our sidebar and go to the top and paste to here. And the other is the arrow forward. So we search arrow forward and we copy this and again we paste to our sidebar.js. And the first part is we are going to create this light blue part. So we go to the bottoms and create a style component. So we can see the display is flat, so these two things is aligned in a row direction. And we have the space around for the justify content, and the align item center is to make sure that these two is aligned vertically at the center. And we have, of course, the light blue background and also get some paddings at about 10 pixels. So we go to the top and we should be above the search bar. So we type notification. And now if we go back to our website, you can see it already appeared at here. And now we want to create this white avatar. So we back to the notifications components, and first we have to go to the bottoms and create these notification avatars. And you can see we again use these avatars. I think we already import on the top. So now we go to the here and type notification avatar, and inside this we add the notification of icon that we just import at here. So we go down and place at here and click save, and let's see what happened. Now you can see we cannot see the notification of icon because it is also in white color. So we have to add the style to correct the color to be light blue, and which is the same as the background. So we can copy from the notification style component and back to here and type color is equal to this one. Remember to add the hash and save it. Now we can see it appeared. Now what we miss is the text, so now we are going to create the text. So we back to the project, the sidebar, and back to the bottom again and paste this notification text, and which is displayed in flags, and the flags direction is column, because at here you can see this is in the column directions. So we already has the notification text, and so we back to the top, and inside this we paste here. The first thing is we want to add the text of get notifications of new message, and then we have to add this link and also the arrow forward button or the icon. So we paste the A tag which has the, and then we are going to add the icon buttons, and the icon is that we just import. So we use the icon button to wrap this thing and then paste to here and open a tag and close. Now we can see all the things appear here, but because this is in the column directions, so you can see the arrows is not in line with this A tag. So we have to create a div to wrap all the things and then add the styles. So of course the style is displayed equal to flags again, so it should in row directions. And now the other thing is this is very large compared with the text, so we also have to add the inline style to the icon. So we add the style is width equal to 15, and also the height is also equal to 15, and we should add one more curly bracket. So now you can see it already at the right side. And then we also want to add the aligned item center. So this will not like this. Some is more likely at the bottom. So we have to add the aligned item center, and we should add an S here. So this looks much better. So we already create this notification successfully, and now we can go to the next part.